Well, hey, it's E-Pops, your mental performance coach. On my way home from doing a lesson, and I thought it was a really interesting thing to share with you. So my client tonight, when we were wrapping up the ride, said, I'm loving my lesson, and I have to tell you, the stuff we're working on is helping me change my story. And I thought, wow, that's pretty powerful, and I want to talk to you about how mental performance actually can help you change your story. Your mind is the most awesome, spectacular, amazing virtual reality machine, better than any AI that's out there. You can project yourself into the future. You can cast yourself into your history. You can create alternate realities. It's like watching your own movie or reading the most awesome book, complete with characters and emotion and even dialogue. We visualize or hear what people might say to us, or what they did say to us, or what they could say to us. Really important, we have this ability. It's how we plan. I don't have to drive all 7 routes to the horse show grounds. I can, based on history and based on my knowledge of the roads and based on my knowledge of the traffic, can create a path that I could take so that I can get to that horse show in the best way for my horse, with the best roads, fewest stops, etc. There's some interesting things when we talk about trauma research and when we talk about understanding what trauma is and recognizing that when people have PTSD, so post-traumatic stress, it's because they are reliving that thing that happened to them, even though they're in a whole other place. Here's something I'd like you to think about and try. Hold in your hand a lemon. So this is in your mind's eye. You're holding on to a lemon, and you can see its bright yellow flesh and see all the little bumps and dots on it. You can feel its waxy skin. You can smell it. Close your eyes. Hold that lemon up to your nose and take a really big inhale. And then I want you to take that lemon and I want you to shove it in your mouth. Cram the whole lemon into your mouth and bite down on it. And can you feel all that lemon juice everywhere on the edges of your teeth and your gums? And you can feel how maybe your nose wrinkles, maybe you grimace, maybe you produce a huge amount of saliva. You're not actually eating a lemon. Your brain just is telling you it is. And because you had that history, that experience of it, we relive it, right? We get to do it again. The problem is when our stories that we tell ourselves are not helpful. When we think about all the bad and awful stuff that happened, when we jump forward into the future and we plan stuff that's going to be bad and awful. Well, if it was terrible and awful last time, in the future, this is what it's going to look like. And you can actually, feel those emotions. You can hear what people are saying. You can, you live this experience that isn't actually happening. So with mental performance, we can learn how to craft a new and different, believable story. Do you want help making a new story? Well, continue to join me here, and we're going to teach you the tools you need to create a story that serves you better, that allows you to move forward, and good stuff's going to happen, not such good stuff's going to happen, but write a new story so that the good outweighs the bad. This is E-Pops, your mental performance coach. Looking forward to our next conversation. Have a fantastic next ride.